on guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and welcome to yet another yarn haul video. So I recently bought yarn because I just had this moment where I was like, I want to start knitting chunky sweaters because I make my messenger bag, so having to knit a sweater with 4mm needles, it will take so long for me to complete it because I'm knitting, then going back to making messenger bags, knitting, and then 4mm, it's small. I can only get so much done with a huge sweater like that. So I was like, if I start knitting more chunky type of sweaters, I can get a lot done and have a finished project quicker than I would if I continue on with 4mm sweater projects. So I was like, boom, I can buy Drops Andes and make like a whole bunch of Louisiana sweaters by Petite Knit, and I can complete them and still feel good about making messenger bags and still being able to knit and complete projects, because at the rate I'm going, it's gonna be challenging to finish my 4mm sweaters. So I decided that I'm going to start knitting chunky-ish sweaters. So I bought the yarn and it just came in. This is all the yarn. I got 5 different types. I got 5 colors and 5 balls of each color. So 25 balls in total. So let's open it. Oh, and I wanted it to look more rusticy and kind of vintage, so I didn't want any bright colors. In Drops Andes, it doesn't even have any bright colors anyway, so it was perfect. But I did stick to a kind of rustic type of colorway, and I also want to do stripes, so it could be like 3 rows and 1 row of another color, then like 4 rows of another, or 2 rows of another. So it's gonna be super random, super stripey, super colorful, and that type of thing. So yeah. So these are the yarns, and I'm going to show you each color I got. So to start off, I got this brown color. I actually think I used this for my crochet coat. This color looks so familiar. I think I used it for my crochet coat that I made, and it uses 9mm needle, so that's a huge difference from 4mm to 9. Like, that's crazy, which is amazing. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a yarn where I could use a super big needle, so that's perfect. And this is the brown that I got. The next color I got was this beautiful green color. I don't know if they have the color name. No, they don't have the color name, but I think they have the color name like on the site, but I'm not on the site. So I got this beautiful green color, super nice and cute, and it's super fall-y. Like, the colors I got, it's giving me fall vibes, and I didn't even realize that until now, which is perfect because we're going into fall anyway, so that's perfect. I got this color, green. I think that's all the colors in this one. And then I got this gray color, super cute. Oh, I love it. This is gonna be such a cute sweater. And then I got this red color. This nice red. It's not too bright, not too dark. It's super fall-y. Like, I didn't even realize. So that's this beautiful red. And then I got this blue color, which is in its own packaging. And then I got this blue color. So like I said, this sweater is gonna be super colorful, super random, and just super cute, honestly. So these are the colors that I got. So this is gonna be amazing, and I'm actually gonna start on the sweater today. So my initial plan was to knit the Monday sweater while we're going to Sweden. Of course, you guys should know that by now. So we're going to Sweden, and my initial plan was to knit my Monday sweater while we're down there. But then I had that thing of blah, and I was like, I want to knit chunky, and then instantly I bought the yarn. And now I'm going to be knitting my Louisiana sweater down there at the airport, on the plane, all that good stuff. So we'll see how far I get, and I actually want to finish the sweater in Sweden so I can say I finished a sweater in Sweden. Like, that would be so cool. So cool. And hopefully I can finish. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff, like a lot of activities. We have a lot of activities planned, but they include knitting, like having time to knit, so I can get a lot done. And this Louisiana sweater doesn't take long at all. I'm using 9mm. I think I will actually use 8 though, but 8, it's still huge. So either way, I'm gonna get a lot done, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to start. I think I'm gonna start with the gray color first, and then maybe move to the red after, because I want even the collar to be kind of colorful. So I want like everything to have nice color, just nice cute vibes. So yeah, that's my plan to start today, finish in Sweden, and we'll see how much I can get done. I don't know if I'll have a separate video for this, but I will have so many vlogs while I'm in Sweden, so you guys will literally be updated on the entire process. So I don't think having an individual video will do anything, because you guys will be seeing me knit that sweater everywhere. And then hopefully I can start another sweater while I'm down there with yarn I get down there, because I also want to get Lang yarn. It's like Cloud. It's called Cloud, and it's so cute, so cute. And I think I'm gonna get that. Maybe I can start another Louisiana sweater while I'm down there. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I will update you guys, of course. And that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And yeah, so let me get started on this sweater. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.